A devastating earthquake ripped through Turkey and Syria, leaving massive destruction in both countries. The earthquake hit Turkey and Syria on Monday at 4 am. Thousands were killed in Turkey and Syria. The magnitude of the earthquake was 7.8, which was the main shock. Till now, more than 60 aftershocks have been recorded. Earthquake is considered to be the deadliest natural disaster. Due to the movement of the Earth's tectonic plates, some regions are at constant risk. Turkey is one of them. Earth has around 15 to 20 tectonic plates, and these tectonic plates are constantly moving and interacting in different ways. Some parts of the plates are made up of continents and other parts are made up of oceans. When two blocks of the earth abruptly slip past one another, an earthquake happens. The surface where they slip is called a fault place. There are 4 different types of earthquakes. It is important to know all 4 types because you will find out which type of earthquake struck Turkey and Syria recently in 2023. Tectonic earthquakes, volcanic earthquakes, collapse earthquakes, and explosion earthquakes. In Turkey and Syria, a tectonic earthquake occurred recently. Let's discuss tectonic earthquakes for a few seconds. A tectonic earthquake occurs when the Earth's crust breaks due to geological forces on rocks and adjoining plates, which result in physical and chemical changes. There are 3 different types of earthquake shocks. It is important for you to know about the shocks because we will be discussing the shocks that occurred in Turkey and Syria and the negative impact that devastated the lives of Turkish and Syrian citizens. Number 1. Foreshocks. Foreshocks are smaller earthquakes in the same place before a larger earthquake takes place. Number 2. Main shocks. The largest main earthquake is called the main shock. And number 3. Aftershocks. Aftershocks are a sequence of earthquakes that happens after the large main shock on a fault. These aftershocks tend to occur near the fault where the main shock occurred and are considered to be a part of the readjustment process. Now let's understand what caused the earthquakes in Turkey and Syria. Earthquakes are gradually becoming common in Turkey and Syria. In 2020, Turkey was struck by a magnitude 7.0 earthquake in October that caused significant damage. Now again this year, Turkey and Syria faced this natural disaster. What do you think? Why is it happening so frequently? Actually, the Arabian Peninsula is a part of a tectonic plate. Remember, earlier in this video we discussed tectonic earthquakes. So the Arabian Peninsula is a part of a tectonic plate and it is making its way north into the Eurasian plate. Due to that, Turkey is getting squeezed aside. So Arabia is gradually moving north and has been colliding with Turkey. Due to this, Turkey is moving out of the way to the west. The Anatolian Fault System. The border between Turkey and Syria lies near the Anatolian Fault System. In this region, several geological plates interact. Plates are moving in different directions at different speeds. The Anatolian tectonic plate in Turkey sits between several other plates that are moving in different directions, which puts pressure on the fault lines. If we look at the records of earthquakes in Turkey, then we will find out in 1999, a 7.4 magnitude quake hit Istanbul in Turkey. Due to this, 17,000 people were killed. In 1939, a 7.8 magnitude quake hit Turkey. Due to this, 30,000 people were killed. We already talked about the earthquake that occurred in 2020. The record shows that Turkey is prone to earthquakes. According to the United States Geological Survey, the epicenter of the 7.8 magnitude quake was 23 kilometers east of Nurdagi in Turkey's Gaziantep province at a depth of 24.1 kilometers. Monday's quake is believed to be the strongest to hit Turkey since 1939, when an earthquake of the same magnitude killed 30,000 people according to the USGS. On February 6, around 4:15 am local time, a magnitude 7.8 earthquake struck the southern part of Turkey near the Turkey-Syria border. Just after 11 minutes, it was followed by a magnitude 6.7 aftershock. According to the officials, more than 40,000 people have been killed and tens of thousands injured after the earthquake struck Turkey and Syria last week. The death toll is rising constantly, and it is the biggest tragedy of Turkey and Syria. Turkey was hit by two more powerful earthquakes just 2 weeks after the disaster. Several countries from all over the world are sending aid to Turkey and Syria. Pray for the innocent citizens of Turkey. Pray for the innocent citizens of Syria. Pray for those who have died and those who grieve. Pray for those who have lost loved ones, and pray for those who lost their homes.